Okay.
Lily. Merry Christmas.
Santa Claus came last night. You see?
I think Santa was here.
Did Santa bring you presents? Look.
Look, Lily.
Do you see all the presents?
Ooh, presents everywhere.
Wow. Look at all the presents.
Wow.
Do you see this one? Ooh, what's that?
What did you get? That looks like fun.
What else is in there? Look some more. Ooh, what's that? There's a turtle that lights up.
Pretty.
What else is in there? There's more. Oh my goodness. Oh.
What you got there, Lily? Is it cool? What's that?
What is that? Is that a baby bottle? Wonder why would you get a baby bottle? That is cool.
How are you going to wrap a present, Lily?
I do.
Unwrap a present? Let Daddy figure out which one you need.
I really want to do that. You want to open that one? Oh. That one's for Lily. That one there. Oh, apparently they're all for Lily. Okay.
One's for Violet. It says Lyra on it.
Ribbon's cool. That's fun.
Show your face. Is there a pizza? Oh no.
I don't know what's in there. You find out.
Open it up. Take the paper off.
Hard time with that ribbon, isn't she?
Wait a second. I'm going to open that one. Open that one. Open it. Open the paper.
What ribbon is that?
What are they, Lily?
What is that?
Open
See
the
that?
present.
Keep opening that present. What's inside? Ooh, what is it? We're interested in the paper. Lily,
Yeah.
look.
You got boots.
They're wellies. For splish splashing.
Yeah, now your feet won't get all wet. Can you say thank you to Liz? Thank you. Trying to put them on.
You can do it.
I have to get a video of her splish splashing later. Say thank you. Bye-bye.
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 way she can. All right. Good. Don't let her see. There's a couple of them that are.
Alright, I'm gonna stop this.
Yeah.